Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
First-time Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament from Karnataka, Ashok Gasti, has passed away. He succumbed due to COVID-19. Gasti had been quite critical since September 2nd and he was admitted to the ICU of a Bengaluru-based private hospital. But the last 1 week, his situation was quite critical, and this is what the hospital authorities say. Gasti had deep roots in the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, as well as has worked for a very long time as a grassroots leader with the Bharatiya Janata Party as well. Now from Raichur, he has worked himself up the rungs all these years, and he was one of the surprise candidates nominated by the Bharatiya Janata Party when the names for the Rajya Sabha nominees were made. Ashok Gasti had been somebody who's been extremely popular among the BJP Karyakartas, and when he was nominated and he took oath on July 22nd, soon after he did speak to the print, and he spoke about how he was extremely happy with the fact that the party had not only rewarded a grassroots level leader, but this will also stand as an inspiration for everybody to work and sincerely work for the party. And at that time he had said this kind of reward and recognition can be given only in the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now when I did speak to some senior BJP leaders, they were saying that he was a fine politician who would have made a very good parliamentarian as well. He did take oath on July 22nd as a Rajya Sabha member, but was unable to even attend a single session of the parliament. His situation was quite critical when he had been admitted in the private hospital itself, is what the doctors say. But it is also important to understand the role that Ashok Gasti has played for the Bharatiya Janata Party in Karnataka as well. He started as a young leader in the RSS and then slowly graduated towards the Yuva Morcha of the BJP, has worked for several years in the BJP and specifically in the North Karnataka region. He has also been the General Secretary of the OBC cell of the BJP and the chairperson also of the Karnataka Backward Committee of the BJP. So in a way that he has had a lot of very senior position and levels within certain levels in the BJP as well. But it is most importantly, he's been credited for his dedication, and he had been a person who the BJP says is somebody they can always rely on when it comes to organizational skills. Ashok Gasti's passing away is something that is truly something that the BJP says has not only will be affecting their base as well as the Karyakartas or the ground level workers, because he is somebody who has led them from the front and has been a guide for them. But there was also something else that happened, which was quite unfortunate series of events, because initially when Ashok Gasti's health status was revealed, Karnataka's health minister B. Sriramulu was the first person to tweet about his passing away and condoled his death. Soon after, we did see a stream of other BJP leaders, including BJP member of Lok Sabha member of Parliament Shobha Karandlaje, and also Vice President of India, Shri Venkaiah Naidu, as well as the Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, all of them tweeting and condoling his passing away. But in a matter of 30 minutes, the hospital where he was admitted came out with a statement saying he was still critically ill with multi-organ failure, and that they were still monitoring him and he was under ventilator. Now, soon after this statement came out, all of them one by one started deleting their tweets condoling their death, and that kind of confusion that came out, which was stemmed out of this entire tweet and information that was coming out of Karnataka itself, did create a bit of a setback, not just for the Bharatiya Janata Party's image, but also to all those who retweeted or believed what happened. But what is important to understand is that, and this is what the BJP, one of the leaders told me, is it is important to understand the impact of social media. While we do understand that somebody's health is something that everybody would want to know the status of, we should be extremely responsible when we are posting or tweeting about it. And that is when we actually saw a few senior leaders from the RSS tweeting saying that he was critically ill and not as mentioned that he had passed away. Ashok Gashti's later it was confirmed that he passed away, and based on that hospital information that we actually saw that then confirmation tweets started coming out. So this unfortunate series of incidents also took place with his passing away. At the same time, the BJP says that it is people like Ashok Gashti who create a niche, who create an impression amongst the young people to not only derive inspiration from them, but also show that how one can start as a young leader and go all the way to the doorstep of the parliament. Roni Swami in Bengaluru for The Print.